Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I created this dewy, extra chic-y look. I teamed up with IL MAKIAGE. One thing I love about them is first, they are cruelty-free. And second, they celebrate unapologetic, successful, confident women. This brand is now available in the US. They recently opened their first makeup boutique in Soho, New York. Carly Bible opened the store, and let me tell you, they have over 800 different makeup products and shades. Couple things I want to mention before I start. You guys can shop IL MAKIAGE exclusively at IL MAKIAGE. If you guys happen to buy something and you don't like it, you guys get to return it, no questions asked. They give free shipping, and when you sign up, you get 10% off your first order. Alright, now that you guys know that, we can get started so you guys can see how amazing these products are. So their eyeshadows are one of the best ones that I have ever swatched. Their texture was like none other that I have ever swatched. I'll show you guys what I mean, but before I do that, I'm going to show you guys how they come. The packaging is so dope. These are the mono ones, singles, I don't know how to actually say it, but the single ones come like this. This is the packaging. And they also come in a pro palette that 12 of them come in. And it's super cool how the top just covers it like it's like a, what's that called? Like an iPad cover. It's like magnetized, keeps it super secure. So it just closes it, and if you want to use it, you could just bring it back and it stays on. So this is the shade YOLO. I only went through it once. I'm gonna swatch it right here. Oh my god, it's amazing. YOLO to this for real. Now let's swatch one of the ones in the pro palette. This one. That one I did go a little bit more circly, but I mean, still. Like, look at that. That's amazing. Today I'm going to be doing like a gold eye look, but with some of these shades right here, like the matte ones. This one, a little bit of this one, and we're going to be using this one as the main shade. First shade that I'm going to go in is, of course, this light one right here, which is in shade Newsflash. And I didn't apply any product on my eyelid, like no concealer, no primer, no anything. We're just doing straight up eyeshadows today. That's it. So now I'm going to go in with Do Your Thing, which is this shade right here. And this is going to be our transition shade. I am using their blending brush. This is the number 192. And this is all made in Italy, which is so dope. I love how these brushes blend. Now going in the color bottoms up, and we're placing that right on the sides. So like if you're creating like a sandwich type of situation on your eye. So not so much in the middle, but just mostly on the sides. And like I said, they're pretty buildable, so you could keep on adding. Switching up the brush to the 188 cream shader brush, going in the Killin It shade. And this is what we're going to use to deepen up both sides, because we're going to be placing that gold shade that I showed you in the middle. And I'm not going to blend it that much with this brush. This one is more just to place it where I want it. And I don't want to take it all the way up here, just right here. I love how buildable these eyeshadows are. I gotta add a little bit more product because I blended way too low. Way too quick. And I definitely want this to be a little deeper. So I forgot there is a darker shade. I thought that was the darkest shade. This shade right here, Endgame. And that's gonna help us make this look pop out even more. And like I said, again, I'm not blending with this brush. This is just to place it in the area that I want it. And back with a blending brush to blend it all out. This really blends really good. Like, scary good. I'm gonna add a little bit of product right here. And after I'm done with this, I'm gonna be using the gold shade to complete the eye look. Now with this eye and brow definer brush, we're going to be using the Eyes on the Prize shade and using that on the middle of the eyelid. I'm going with that cranberry-ish shade we went with, and just fixing up the edges. So I kind of want to add more dimension to the middle part, so I want to go in that Sorry Not Sorry shade, which is this super pretty white metallic-y shade, and we're putting this right in the middle. of this whole sandwich. I haven't blended it out yet. Give me 1 second, I just want to see how it looks. Yeah, and now blend it out with that gold shade. It should add a little bit of dimension to the whole eye look. So I'm satisfied how the eye looks. I'm not really going for that intense sandwich look because I am going to be doing an eyeliner. So this is their ink liner in black. I did that pretty quick, so I definitely approve of this liner. I like how the wand is long, as you guys can see. Let me zoom it in. You guys can see how long the wand is. I kind of wish that the tip was a little bit skinnier, thinner, but it's all good because I got it done. That's all that matters. Alright, so the eyeliner worked pretty well for me. As you guys can see, I did the eyeliner like that. So it's Isabel approved. I'm gonna go put my lashes really quick and I will be right back. Alright, now that lashes are on, let's move on to face. We're gonna be using their I Woke Up Like This foundation. I've used this foundation before, I love it. It's called I Woke Up Like This because it feels super lightweight on the face, but it's very buildable. I love applying their foundation with the foundation blending brush in 100. It's this foundation brush right here. But they also have another one called Silk Finish Foundation Brush. This one, I've used it back home. So I put 1 pump on the brush. This is what I mean about that. It's super buildable. So they have 50 shades for everybody, for almost everybody, if not everybody. I'm still using that same 1 pump and I'm dragging it till I literally have no more products. So I think maybe now I should apply another pump to show y'all what another pump does, but I just want to make sure it's all blended very well. So I just added another pump and see how it's slowly building up. Now it's definitely giving me that full coverage that I'm looking for. And I think I'm going to use 1 more pump just so I can get that full coverage that I always look for in every foundation. But I love this one because it doesn't feel like I'm adding more. You know, my skin still feels like it's breathing. I don't feel caked up. My face don't look caked up at all. And I just used the shade 145. I went ahead and set my makeup. I'm gonna let it bake for a little bit. Meanwhile, we're gonna be doing our lips. We're gonna be using their waterproof lip liner in coffee. And then I'm gonna be showing you guys one of my favorite products of them. I love how creamy it is. Now I get to show you guys my favorite IL MAKIAGE product, and it's the Lip Master palette. It comes with 6 shades. And that's why I have this little lip brush by them as well. I love it because it's so perfect. It has 6 shades. You could create any types of ombre. It's so pigmented. So that's why I put the lip liner, because we're going to be doing a nice ombre look with this palette right now. We're going to go in with this shade right here. It's called Isla. I'm too Hispanic for it. I think it's called Isla. That's what we're going to be using. And this is the shade for the outside part of the lip. And this brush is really precise, which I love, so I don't have to clean it out with the concealer later on. So see how it's already looking like an ombre. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention, all of the shades are semi-matte lip colors, but the last one that I just used is a sheer lip color. That's why it's a little sheer, but that's totally fine because I'm not really looking for something too dark. So now for the middle part, what shade is that? I think it's shade Top Secret, if I'm not wrong. I think it's shade Top Secret. And then to intensify the ombre a little bit more, we're going to be grabbing the lightest shade, which I think is called Shake It Off. And this one, we're placing it in the middle part of this whole lippy. I love this palette. It looks so cute. I love it. I want to darken up my waterline using their Longwear Eye Pencil in Batman. I love that. Of course, we need to add some mascara to the bottom lashes. This is their Icon Mascara. Their brush, let me show you guys, it's a silicone brush and it looks like a football. Never seen anything like it, but pretty dope. And it's also clump free. I went over my lashes once with the mascara and look how long they got. I'm gonna just grab my beauty blender and blend this powder off. I'm not gonna swipe it off, just blend it off. So for blush, I don't have an IL Makiage blush, so I'm just gonna be using this lip sheer by them in Rave, warming it up on my hand, grabbing this brush. So the last thing that's missing is a highlighter to tie this whole look up. I don't have a highlighter from them. I don't know if they have a highlighter, but I'm gonna use an eyeshadow to improvise. Okay, we can use this shade right here. It's called Sorry Not Sorry. It's also on the palette. It's the one that I used in the middle to tie the whole sandwich look up. We're gonna be adding a little bit of it because it's really an intense shade. It's really, really, really intense. Now with my highlighting brush, let's go in there. I'm a little scared. I'm not even gonna tap away the extra product. Alright guys, so this is the final look. This highlight came out amazing. I wish you guys could see it in person because it looks even better in person. It's insane how it's not even a highlighter. It's a freaking eyeshadow. Mind blown. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love improvising for a highlighter or a blush because it gives you different ideas on how to use your makeup. Just a reminder, if you guys do want to buy any of the products that I used in this video, you guys could shop for it exclusively at ILMakiage.com. A plus to it, if you don't like the product that you bought or you want to exchange it, they return it with no questions asked. You also get free shipping and 10% off your first order when you sign up at ILMakiage.com. If you're not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and I will see you guys on the next one.